You want to have a little fun? Have you been sitting at the computer for a long time? Or maybe on the couch? Or maybe just want to move your body? So let's go into the wiggle waggle. So the wiggle waggle is going to loosen up those joints, move the lymph and circulation, and just let the body be loose, loose. And we're going to start with a bounce, 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 bounce. A light bounce so you can feel the weight on your heels. Have a little sound. And move and move and move. Let the shoulders hang. Let the hands move. Everything's loose. Just wiggle, waggle. And if you notice some stiffness, it's like, oh, that feels kind of weird. That feels like I'm stuck. That feels kind of like strange because I'm holding. Then let go, let go, let go. Let go, let go, let go. And move the hips. And move the shoulders back and forth and round and round. And moving any way you can with this attitude that you're loose, 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 loose. Loose it up. Notice that something's holding. Just keep moving it. And have some fun. The stupider you look, the more fun it is getting out of your head. And it's a shake, 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 shake. And shake the hips and stir the hips. Stir the hips. Both directions. Get them moving. Get the energy moving. Get that whole body moving around and around, up and down. Let everything hang, 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 hang. And moving and bouncing. Let things just move. And take it down and around, and whatever feels great. Let the body move and have fun. And move it, move it, move it, and move it, move it, move it, and round and round, and move that energy, that stuck energy. And bounce, 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 bounce. And bounce and move that body and move it, move it, move it. The more fun you have, the more stupider you feel. The better, because you're releasing all that stuff in the body. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. All right. Then we end with a little bit of bounce, 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 bounce. Feel everything letting go. And stop. Whoa. Wow. Feel the hands tingle with prana, chi, or ki, however you like to label it. The whole body is just tingling with free-flowing prana energy. Bring the breath back to normal in through the nose and out through the nose. Bring the heart rate down. There's silence, believe it or not, underneath all this activity. The body is teeming with energy, freedom, loosening up those joints. And the more you do this, if you do it 2 or 3 times a day, or once a day, even once a day is good, then we can start moving our bodies and having that freedom to express what our body wants. Because if there's locked stuff in the hips or in the shoulders, it wants to be released. So you can either do it just very gently to start, just bouncing, that's all. And then as you feel like you're getting a little bit more, and everything's starting to release a little bit more, you start getting into more movement. And unlock. Let's unlock. Let's unlock the body, unlock the breath, unlock stuck energy. And silence. You are awesome. Congratulations for being willing to wiggle waggle and get your body moving. Get your body moving. This is like the yoga of wiggle waggle.